Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be reminding you guys, this is the last week of the winter frost season in Heartopia. It's going to end at 5:59 a.m. March 14. And basically, here's everything you need to know before the season ends. So for the snow sculpting hobby, great news. After the season ends, Azure will still be here, maybe in the same spot as well. I'm not sure on that. But basically, after the season ends, you can still purchase snow sculpting hobby upgrade tickets, snow sculptures, and snow sculpting benches from Azure. You can also keep creating snow sculptures as long as you own the snowball machine and snow sculpting bench. So you are still able to go to Azure here and purchase the Fashion Wave hobby. I think you can also get the ticket as well. Alright, and then for the ice skating rink, obviously it's going to disappear, but you can, if you did join the season, you can still put the ice skating rink in your house, and you can still upgrade the dream level even after the season ends. So if you still want the title for Ice Elf, you are still able to get it after the season ends in your own house. Alright, for fish, insects, and birds, after the season ends, limited collectibles, such as frostboard fish, frostboard butterflies, and winter birds will no longer spawn on the town map. Any collectibles you have already obtained will not be affected. So if you've basically claimed everything, if you, for instance, caught everything and scanned bird info cards of the winter birds and stuff like that, it will not be affected. It's still going to be in your inventory. It's still going to be in your fish tank. All right. Okay. Next, for flowers and radishes. Growth stopped. Seeds for the season limited flowers and crops can no longer be sown or purchased. Ungrown plants, planted but unripe plants, will stop growing. So if you are still growing Highland poppy seeds or the radish, it will stop growing if you plant it near the end of the season, which is unfortunate because I haven't gotten this one, but I really don't need it for my house. And new seeds and unripe plants can be sold directly to Albert for gold. Food recipes and facilities. Recipe locked seasonal foods can no longer be cooked even with ingredients in stove. I did explain this in a previous video. You are not able to use this anymore. It can still be crafted, the stove, but it's only going to be for display only. Unused season limited ingredients can be sold directly to Albert Jr. for gold. So if you have a lot of the frosted, the icing sugar, you are able to still sell that. And for as for the onsen egg, you're still able to cook that after the season ends. So for the egg, you're good with that, alright? Okay, for Fashion Wave tokens, unused Fashion Wave tokens will be converted to gold at a 1-by-1 ratio after the season ends. So I have, let's see, I have 36,000, it's not that much, Fashion Wave tokens, and it's going to give me 36,000 gold coins as well, around that much. And for map adjustments, the winter frost related buildings, special vegetation, and decorations in the town will be removed. Don't forget to take photos with your besties before the scenery disappears. So this will all go away. So if you want to make memories first here, if you want to make memories with your friends, do that before the season ends. Don't forget to do all of these challenges to get special items like this loungewear, this cap, and stuff like that, because this will all go away as well. And for the Fashion Wave memory, don't forget to do this as well if you want to get this photo frame. I just need to do the host any party one, and then I'll be done with it. Just make sure you've done everything here if you want the items, because it will go away sadly. And yeah, that is pretty much it. It's a lot, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!